Universe, I open my heart to you. Thank you for walking with me, whispering to me, and guiding me even when I cannot yet see the path. Please help me remember who I am. A woman shaped by love, guided by intuition, and strengthened by every experience that brought me here. Fill me with the courage to trust myself, the softness to be kind to my own heart, and the grace to grow at the pace my spirit needs. Let me feel anchored in my body, steady in my purpose, and open to all the quiet miracles arriving in my life. Where there is doubt, bring reassurance. Where there is fear, bring warmth. Where there is heaviness, bring release. May I walk through my days with a deep sense of alignment, not forcing, not grasping, but allowing, receiving. Help me trust that I am exactly where I need to be, becoming who I'm meant to become. May I show up for myself with tenderness. May I honor my dreams with devotion. May I shine in a way that feels true. I step forward now as a divinely aligned woman, soft yet strong, intuitive yet grounded, humble yet powerful. Thank you, Universe, for your guidance. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for loving me into alignment. And so it is.